Hi, Math 8. This is the second part of Section 2, Evaluating Expressions. Don't forget that evaluating means to solve. All right, this is going to take a little bit of time, but it's the important part. So the idea here is that we can never forget the basics, which are order of operations. We have grouping symbols, exponents, roots, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And it's not in that order exactly all the time. We have to know when to do something at all times. So this is 2 minus 4 times 5 squared. Now, we don't have any grouping symbols, but we do have an exponent right here, so we're going to start off with the exponent. So then this is going to be 2 minus 4 times 25. So then after the exponents, we have subtraction and multiplication. We'll do the multiplication first. So this is negative 4 times 25, all right, which is negative 100. And then we have 2 minus 100, which is negative 98. And there you go. We're going to do about 4 of these. So 5 plus 6 squared minus, divided by 4, excuse me. My eyes are not as good as they used to be. So, excuse me. Again, we have an exponent right here, so let's take care of that. So that's going to be 5 plus 6 squared is 36, divided by 4. Okay, division is before addition, so 36 divided by 4 is 9. And then 5 plus 9 is 14. Feel free to stop the video. All right, don't be pressured. This is the absolute value of negative 3 cubed divided by 27. Okay, now technically, absolute value signs are a grouping symbol. So we're trying to basically take care of that first, but we need to solve everything inside first. So hopefully you remember the previous video. This is the negative of 3 cubed. So I'm going to have to spread this one out a little bit more. Whoops. That should be an absolute value bar. So this is 3 cubed. 3 times 3. All right, that's 9, you're right. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So now we have negative 27 divided by positive 27, and the answer to that is negative 1. And the absolute value of negative 1, the absolute value is asking how far is it from 0, right? What are the total units of distance from 0? So then the answer to this is 1. All right, and then finally, number 4. Sorry for hustling through this, but the videos take some time to download. I'm going to put that in parentheses now. All right, so here we go. We have 9 minus 2 to the 5th times half, all right? So first things first, let's take care of that exponent. 2 to the 5th, right? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we could do that right here. We can go 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And then 6 times 2 is 32. So now we have 9 minus 32 times half. So what's 32 times half? Half of 32 is 16. And then 9 minus 16 is negative 7. It's all about following order of operations, which you've been taught for many years. Don't break away from the idea of order of operations.